My good friend, I just would like to tell you this quote from this person also. It says here, the goal of education is understanding, while the goal of training is performance. Am I correct? Okay, I will open my piece of paper here because I don't remember the qualifications of my dear friend. Okay, so again, good morning, lady and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our speaker today, who is safety practitioners and safety professionals. This is very, very important because as a safety officer, we should be the source of information. Okay, so currently, our speaker is a senior mechanical engineer from KEO. Okay, he's a certified project management professional, a professional member of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers in UK, an incorporated engineer from the Institution of Fire Engineers in UK, an accredited license by the Engineering Council of UK, and we have only 2 persons here in Qatar who is having multiple certifications, qualifications from NFPA. Okay, one is Mr. Muhammad Nisam Nagil and Mr. Engineer Muhammad Mustafa. Muhammad Mustafa is having 5 important certifications from NFPA, as you can see from his title below his name. One of it is the famous one, is a certified fire protection specialist. Okay, then he have another certifications, qualifications as a certified hazard recognition specialist, or the CHRS. Then he got the certification again as a certified fire alarm ITM specialist, or CFA ITMS. ITM means inspection, testing, and maintenance. He's also a certified sprinkler ITM specialist and a certified water-based system professional. So
then the outside area to create more pressure. In high-rise buildings, the stairs typically represent the sole means of egress during a fire. It is imperative that the exit stairs to be free of smoke and to incorporate design features that improve the speed of occupant egress. Most building code requires that exit staircase in a high-rise building to be pressurized to keep smoke out. Remember, it's not only for high-rise, it is also for underground buildings which is more than 9 meters in deep. Less than that, you can have a normal smoke vent system. The pressurization system serves several purposes: inhibit migration of smokes to stairwell, area of refuge, elevator shafts or similar areas, maintain a tenable environment inside the staircase or inside the refuge area, during the time required for evacuation, facilitate fire and rescue operation, improving visibility in the building for firefighting queue, protect life and reduce damage to property. Now, this is just a reference to show you how a staircase pressurization works or not works, how it is installed, you can assume. So you can see here, this is the building side. Okay, this is the building, and this you can see a lobby or could be a vestibule. So normally a lobby, smokestop lobby, and this is the stairwell. So you can see a fan at the top, which brings the fresh air outside from the building and pushes it. It is called single injection system. Means we are pressurizing the air from one point, which is at the top. And as I mentioned, single injection system in the stairwell. We have two types of injection air in the stairwell. One is single injection, one is multiple injection. Single injection works up to, I'm not clearly remembering it. It can work up to 30 meter, but civil defense here they are not allowing more than 5 floors. I remember.